welcome back. I am super excited to start this brand new series, Google Earth for Kids. We'll do a couple of sub-series for Google Earth for Kids, but for now we're going to do how to plan your trick-or-treat route in Google Earth. So let's take a look. We're going to stay organized and right-click properties to edit things and save constantly as we go, as we learned in the Google Earth Basic series. Also, I might move a little bit faster this time. You can always refer back to the Google Earth Basic series, and I'll try to put links down in the description of the videos on which ones were pertinent to what we did today. All right, so let's get started. What I'm going to do is zoom into my home base location. You might need to put in your address to go to it. So here's where I live. Right about here. All right. So let's take a look over at my places over here. I have several other projects I'm working on in Google Earth. So I'm going to start by turning all of those off. You'll see there's no check marks, and shrinking all of those folders down. And now I'm going to start a new project. So I'm going to right click on my places, add a folder, and I'm going to call this Operation Kit Kat. Now you might want to name your folder something a little bit different, whatever your favorite candy bar is. So mine's going to be Operation Kit Kat. I'm going to click OK, and then do a file, save my places. Everything I'm going to do is right here in my Operation Kit Kat folder. And let's take a look. I accidentally misspelled Kit Kat. I left out a T. No big deal. We stick with the rules of Google Earth. Right click properties, and I just fix it real quick. There we go. All right, now what we need to do is identify our start and end location. Is it going to be at your house? Is it going to be at your friend's house? Wherever it may be, wherever you start your trick-or-treating outing and where you end it, let's put a place mark there. So I'm going to add, right-click, add a place mark. And I'm going to put this place mark right on top of my house. I'm going to name this Home Base. And I'm going to give it an icon that I like better. Maybe this, let's see, let's go with this house location. And I'm going to click OK when I'm happy with it. Now that I've done a few things, make sure you save and save often. So go to File, Save, Save My Places. And let's stick with that for now. Each video will just add more and more layers to what we've done. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to add a folder called Operation Whatever You'd Like. And then identify your home base location, put a place mark there, and then save my places. Once you've done that, come back for the next video. Thanks for watching, and map your world.